In a world racing towards sustainability, one small electric car has begun making a very big noise. This is the story of a revolution on wheels, the BYD Seagull EV. Compact, efficient, futuristic, and surprisingly affordable. The Seagull EV aims to change the world of electric mobility forever. The origin of a revolution. BYD, or Build Your Dreams, began its journey in 1995 as a battery manufacturer. Fast forward to today, and it's become a global EV powerhouse. Interview: BYD engineer. At BYD, our goal has always been to make electric mobility accessible. The Seagull was designed to bring EV technology to everyone, not just the elite. The Seagull EV was introduced with one mission: a fully electric car that's efficient, stylish, and within reach of millions. First look: design and body. The BYD Seagull EV may be small, but it's far from simple. Its sharp LED headlamps, aerodynamic silhouette, and sporty rear design give it a modern, youthful appeal. Interview: automotive designer. Every curve, every line is crafted for efficiency. The car cuts through the air with minimal drag. This helps improve both range and performance. Inside, the Seagull surprises with premium touches: a 10-inch floating touchscreen, rotating dashboard vents, soft touch materials, and a surprisingly spacious cabin. For a compact EV, this feels like a full-size experience. Battery technology: Blade battery. At the heart of the Seagull is BYD's revolutionary Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate battery known for its long life and top-tier safety. Battery expert. The Blade battery doesn't overheat easily, doesn't catch fire, and lasts much longer than typical EV batteries. It's a game changer. With options ranging from 30 to 38 kWh, the Seagull offers real-world ranges between 300 and 400 km, impressive for a car of its class. In safety tests, the battery remains stable, even under extreme stress, proving why BYD is leading the battery revolution. Performance and driving experience. Test driver. When you press the accelerator, the response is instant. It feels smooth, quick, and perfect for the city. A lightweight body paired with a responsive electric motor gives the Seagull a surprisingly spirited performance: 0 to 50 km/h in just 4.9 seconds. It's not built for racing, it's built for comfort, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Smart features. Modern problems require modern solutions. The BYD Seagull comes loaded with smart features: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, voice-controlled infotainment system, over-the-air updates. Interview: software engineer. The car evolves with you. Software updates keep improving the driving experience long after purchase. Charging and convenience. Charging the Seagull is easier than ever. Using a DC fast charger, the battery can go from 30% to 80% in under 30 minutes. EV owner. I plug it in at night, and in the morning, it's ready. No fuel stations needed. For daily urban commutes, home charging is all you need. Price: the breakthrough factor. The Seagull's most shocking feature. Its price. Costing a fraction of traditional EVs, it opens the door to millions of new EV owners. Market analyst. This car doesn't just compete, it dominates. At this price, no other EV offers the same level of quality, technology, or safety. The Seagull is redefining what affordable EV mobility looks like. Impact on the world. Cities across the world face pollution, congestion, and climate challenges. A compact, efficient EV like the Seagull can make a real difference. Environmental expert. If more people shift to EVs, especially affordable ones like the Seagull, we can significantly reduce carbon emissions. It's not just a car, it's a step toward a cleaner future. Real owners, real experiences. Young professional. I wanted an EV, but everything was too expensive. The Seagull changed that. Family driver. We save money on fuel, maintenance, and it's so quiet. My kids love it. Rideshare driver. This car pays for itself. Low running costs. Long range, perfect for work. Future of BYD and global expansion. The Seagull is now expanding to new markets. Countries across Asia, Europe, South America, and Africa are witnessing a new wave of affordable EV mobility. Industry expert. BYD's strategy is simple. Electric cars for everyone. Closing scene. The BYD Seagull EV isn't just a vehicle, it's freedom. Freedom from high fuel costs. Freedom from pollution. Freedom to dream of a cleaner tomorrow. And perhaps, the future of mobility begins with something small. Something like the Seagull. The BYD Seagull EV, changing the future, one drive at a time.